Many people spend workdays indoors under fluorescent lights and in front of computers, then return home to bask in the glow of television screens. But research suggests it's important to make time to get outdoors as well, since doing so is beneficial, maybe essential for human health. Psychologists and health researchers are finding more and more science-backed reasons we should go outside and enjoy the natural world. In her book, The Nature Fix: Why Nature Makes Us Happier, Healthier, and More Creative, journalist Florence Williams writes that she started investigating the health benefits of nature after moving from the mountainous terrain of Boulder, Colorado, to what she describes as the anti-Arcadia that is the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. "I felt disoriented, overwhelmed, depressed," she wrote. "My mind had trouble focusing. I couldn't finish my thoughts. I couldn't make decisions, and I wasn't keen to get out of bed.